Hey there, Viewer 311. I was able to order in rain, so right now we're going to test how reliable is a Flintlock musket in the rain. Obviously this is not a torrential downpour, but it is quite wet. So let's take off our hammer stall and let's have our first shot. Hit. All right, we're down for one. Obviously the rain is going to impact your Flintlock musket quite a bit because of the amount of water that's going to be getting into the pan. I have found that these are actually a little bit more reliable than I thought, but in general, they're not going to be too much. So this next shot we're going to be taking is going to be a 69 caliber ball of 1F powder. All right, let's get our second shot in. 2 hits. All right, let's go for the third. Got that smoke. We got smoke coming out of the touch hole. That's what you're looking for. Let's get that third round down range real quick. Again, all these, as with the military standard, they're coming in pre-made military cartridges. We're shooting at about, I don't know, 30 yards, if that. So let's go right there. Third shot. All right, miss. This is a pedersoli second model Brown Bess or shortland pattern musket. This would have been carried by the British forces towards the later end of the American Revolutionary War. The longland really doesn't get as much attention. You see these pretty commonly at Revolutionary War reenactments. It's a beautiful gun. Pedersoli makes a good product. All right, number 4. Hit. And we're going to be ending it with a shot of buck and ball. So even though, like I said, we're not getting completely poured on right now, this is turning out to be a little bit more reliable than you would think. Again, I'm not completely soaked. I'm able to keep that hammer and pan quite dry. Buck and ball is going to be made up of 3 31 caliber rounds and 1 66 caliber round. This would have been pretty common for American soldiers during the American Revolutionary War. And yeah, I've done a video about the different types of cartridges. So let's give that final round downrange at our steel target. And another hit. So that's 4 out of 5. So yeah, just a real quick short video shooting here in the rain of this pedersoli shortland pattern musket. That's all I really have for today. Thanks for coming out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care.